If you've been scammed on Cash App and want your money back, stay tuned. Because in this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to request a refund step by step and share some important tips to improve your chances of getting your money back. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device. Once inside, tap on the Activity tab. That's the clock icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll see your entire payment history. Find the specific payment you believe was fraudulent or sent by mistake and tap on it. This will bring up the transaction details. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that screen and tap it. You'll see an option called Refund. Select that, then tap OK to send the refund request. If the recipient agrees, the money will go straight back to your account. But what if the recipient doesn't approve the refund? Here's where most people give up, but you shouldn't. If the payment was unauthorized or part of a scam, scroll down in the transaction details and tap Report an Issue. Follow the prompts to report fraud. You can also contact Cash App support directly through the app or at cash.app/help to escalate your case. And here's an important tip. Cash App payments are usually instant and cannot be canceled once completed, so act quickly. Always double-check usernames before sending money and enable extra security features like PIN or Touch ID for future transactions. So there you have it. Open Cash App, go to Activity, select the payment, tap Refund, and report the issue if necessary. Taking action right away is your best chance of getting your money back. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and practical money tips. And if you want more guides on using Cash App safely, check the links in the description. See you in the next one.